Welcome back. Happy holidays to you. I hope you had a fantastic time. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, well, welcome. And this channel is about motorcycle track days, so if you're into that kind of thing, consider using your clutch or throttle hand to subscribe and find out some more information. My name is DaBosch. I've been riding on the racetrack since 2007 and racing since 2007. I've been a motorcycle track day coach for performance riding experience since 2017, and I just want to share a little bit of knowledge that I've learned. This video particularly is about the trailer that I use, how I use it as efficiently as possible from the time that I get to the racetrack to the time that I leave and get back to the home base. So I hope you learned something from this video, and if you have any questions about the trailer renovation or the way that I have it set up, leave a comment, let me know, and I'll get back to you. Really, I just hope the motorcycle's still in here. It's been 2 months. Okay, that's a good start. Good start. So I wanted to create a system that basically was the first items I used. Electrical cables would be the first item that I would use. Plug my power into the trailer. Claim that! Once I have that plugged in, then everything inside the trailer is powered up. Next thing that comes out is the canopy. I like to deploy the canopy. All the items I have on the back are the first to go. Third thing I would go with is pipple stand. Motorcycle is the next one. This order, more than anything, just helps me go through the same checklist over and over and over when I get to the racetrack. Having a home for everything is just going to make your life a lot easier when it comes to packing and unpacking. You just know where everything is. Here in this little gap, I have a table wedged in between the little multi-cabinet. I definitely don't think I'm wearing this right, but that's besides the point. So once I have my pit area set up, depending on what time I arrive at the racetrack, will be dictative, or it will be indicative, excuse me, of what I do next. So if I get there at a crazy hour, then I'll inflate my air mattress and I'll just go to sleep. However, if I get there at a pretty decent hour, might hang out and relax. Enjoy a beverage or something, who knows? Have another chair for somebody else, have dinner. Just really depends on what time I get to the racetrack of what I do from that point. So some other key features that are pretty convenient for me, I'll show you, that might give you some ideas. The table is definitely one of my favorites. Really convenient just because it folds out, folds in. It's just simple hardware that goes at the bottom of it. The E-tracks are another really well used one. I use the canopy. I use the fuel cans to strap in. I use a bicycle to strap in. Hooks. Can't have enough hooks. I'm all about that hook life. Paper towel holder because trackside is very messy. Love having a spot for my cell phone so I always know where it is. Again, there's that hook life. I'm really biased towards this. However, I am a really sweaty guy. So here I have my air fan that I just connect right into the outlet. So I really hope you're able to pick something up from the trailer. It's a really small trailer, but again, if you're efficient, it can go a long way to make it pretty cozy. And I can have 2 to 3 people comfortably in here hanging out. So if you have any questions, again, let me know. Likey, subscribey, clutchy, throttly hand, you know how that goes on the YouTube world, and I'll see you on the next video.